And then a squeegee to get out all the bubbles once you put it on, if you have any. Most likely you will. Go ahead and get my wipe out. Now this is going to leave some moisture there, and you do want that on there. You know, a lot of times people use some Dawn dish soap in a spray bottle, diluted, whenever they're doing any vinyl wraps. Then we're gonna just go ahead and peel these off. The back ones are universal, where the front ones do have a left and a right sticker on them. So maybe to make this easier, you can go ahead and peel it partially, line it up how you want it, and then unpeel, especially if you know a spot where it's really getting into someone's eyes. All right, we got it on there. We're just gonna take this little squeegee. Don't force it over any lines or they will leave a crease. You know, if you're just doing this temporarily, you don't have to worry too much about the air bubbles, the little tiny ones, because you're still gonna be able to see from the front. There you go, it is installed. All right, now I'm gonna take this off and see if it left any streaks, any marks. And there is nothing there. All right, now that I've taken it off, you see that there is no streaks. Will it go right back up? Actually, I like the first way I did it. Start from the left side, go to the right. Helps out with those air bubbles easier. And it is back up on there, and it's all good until you need to roll the window.